How does your body absorb bone nutrients? Have you ever wondered how your body absorbs the nutrients essential for strong bones? The process is quite fascinating and involves several key players. The body primarily absorbs bone nutrients through the digestive system, with calcium and phosphorus being the most critical minerals for bone health. Calcium absorption mainly occurs in the small intestine, but it needs vitamin D to be effective. Vitamin D acts like a hormone that enhances the intestine's ability to absorb calcium from the food we eat. Without enough vitamin D, only about 15% to 20% of dietary calcium gets absorbed, which is not enough for the body's needs for maintaining and growing bones. So, how does vitamin D facilitate calcium absorption? It binds to vitamin D receptors in the intestinal cells. This binding activates specific calcium channels that allow calcium to enter the cells and then pass into the bloodstream. This process is tightly regulated by hormones, especially parathyroid hormone. When blood calcium levels drop, parathyroid hormone is released. This hormone stimulates the production of active vitamin D in the kidneys, which increases calcium absorption in the intestine. Parathyroid hormone also promotes calcium releases from bones by stimulating cells called osteoclasts. These cells break down bone tissue, releasing calcium into the blood to maintain necessary physiological functions. Phosphorus, another essential mineral for bone formation, is absorbed from the diet through the intestines as well. However, it is less dependent on vitamin D compared to calcium. Both calcium and phosphorus work together in the bones to form hydroxyapatite, the mineral matrix that gives bones their strength and rigidity. Maintaining bone health relies on a balance between nutrient absorption, bone formation, and bone resorption. Bones are living tissues that constantly remodel themselves by breaking down old bone and forming new bone. Adequate intake and absorption of calcium and vitamin D are crucial throughout life, especially in conditions like osteoporosis, where bone density is reduced, increasing the risk of fractures. Other nutrients such as magnesium and vitamin K, along with certain vitamins like A and C, also support bone health. However, calcium and vitamin D are the primary focus for keeping bones strong and preventing osteoporosis. In summary, your body absorbs bone nutrients through the digestive tract, with vitamin D playing a key role in enabling efficient calcium uptake. Hormonal regulation ensures calcium levels in the blood remain stable, sometimes at the expense of bone density. This highlights the importance of having enough dietary calcium and vitamin D to support bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Always remember to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice on your bone health.